Your Ford F-150 is a beast on the road, but is it really protected where it matters the most? What if I told you that your prized navigation screen could stay scratch-free and crystal clear, no matter what life throws at it? Let's face it, the navigation screen in your Ford F-150 is one of the most frequently used and touched parts of your vehicle. With constant use, it's only a matter of time before smudges, scratches, and accidental damage start showing up. Whether it's your keys accidentally grazing the surface or dirt buildup from daily drives, leaving your screen unprotected can quickly turn into an expensive headache. That's why having a reliable screen protector isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for every F-150 owner. And that's where the SKTU Screen Protector for the 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 and 2022 to 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning comes in. Made from high-quality tempered glass, this protector is designed to fit your 12-inch navigation screen perfectly. It's not just about protection, it's about maintaining the sleek, HD clarity of your screen while safeguarding it from scratches, fingerprints, and even minor impacts. This screen protector is ultra clear, so you won't even notice it's there. It offers a smooth, responsive touch, ensuring your screen works as flawlessly as ever. Plus, installation is quick and bubble-free, making it hassle-free for anyone to apply. So if you want to keep your F-150 looking as sharp on the inside as it does on the outside, the SKTU Screen Protector is a must-have accessory. Click the link below and give your screen the protection it deserves. Your F-150 deserves the best. Don't settle for anything less.